Hello and welcome to the Sue the Educator preview. This is a short video introduction to a self-care workshop for teachers, school mental health, and school staff. Working in schools is more challenging than ever before for many reasons, including that required tasks for teachers and staff have increased each year. Students have many more emotional issues and it's getting harder and harder to get them help. And there is more violence and unpredictability in schools and in the world in general. For this reason, it is more important than ever to have great forms of stress reduction and self-care for educators. There are many ways to restore and rejuvenate that involve different senses and needs, as you can see in these pictures. But one of the easiest and most accessible ways is a method called havening. Havening is the transitive verb of the word haven, which means to put into a safe place. And havening consists of nurturing touch to your hands, arms, and face. And I'm going to demonstrate for you how to do havening, and I invite you to join me so that you can experience it too. So havening touch with the hands involves rubbing the hands in a vertical or a horizontal way, and you can also do this low in your lap if you'd like. Havening the arms is moving from shoulder to elbow in a downward stroke, like this. And havening the face involves massaging the face, which could be the face in general, or it could be parts of the face, like the forehead and the cheek. And when we do havening, we rotate between these three locations of the hands and the arms and the face. And at times we might only be able to use our hands and keep them under our laps so that people don't see. But other times we are free to use our arms and our face as well. Havening touch calms the amygdala, which is a survival center of the brain responsible for fight, flight, or freeze reactions. Havening does this by producing slow brain waves and soothing neurotransmitters, including serotonin. In this way, havening also enhances well-being and positive states. While doing havening touch, it helps to engage in mental distractions to keep the mind preoccupied with something neutral or pleasant. Some types of helpful distractions are counting, spelling, naming items and categories, humming or singing, or describing a story. As you can see, these distractions are activities that we do all the time as educators. After doing havening touch with distractions, our stress level declined, for example, from a 10 to a 6 to a 2. And this enables us to experience more positive feelings like being relaxed, safe, and peaceful. Then we use havening touch to augment these positive states. We can use havening to cultivate desired states that we like to have more of the time, such as confidence, joy, and creativity. Havening is an easy technique that you can use on yourself at your own convenience. And you can also use it with students in the whole classroom, small groups, and individually to help them soothe themselves and enhance their own happiness and confidence. If you're interested in a Sue the Educator workshop for yourself or your school or department, please contact me at erica@ericaneal.com. Thank you very much.